Okay, this is my brand new but old 1954 Ural from Omsk in Siberia, Russia. This is my friend Dimi. He is going to show us how to fix everything on this. I have a minor, I wouldn't say background, but some experience with mechanics, but he is a basically master mechanic. So he's going to help me with all of this stuff. So I know how to do it when I leave here. Okay. The first class we're going to do today, we're going to start with simple stuff. And after this, I won't do a lot of talking. But we're going to change out these bulbs. Okay.
We will check ignition switch and contacts in ignition switch.
Okay.
So let's start.
And these bulbs are hard to find.
Yeah. These bulbs are 6 volt and very specify.
Okay.
Always make sure that these contacts are clean.
Okay.
And that the bulb has good contact between this surface and this surface. This surface and this surface
Act as a ground.
Yeah.
So this looks clean to me, but this...
We need to clean it.
Okay.
Lamp bulb is good, but surfaces need to be cleaned. And
let's look at the inside here.
very important thing, this bulb.
That bulb is this bulb here.
Electricity from generator goes through this bulb, so if it is broken, a generator could to be damaged.
So he said if the bulb is damaged, the generator could be damaged.
Yeah, it's very important. Make sure that you always have bulb, this bulb.
So are you saying that this bulb that goes in this light completes the circuit for the generator, or no?
I don't understand.
Okay.
If all the bulb, if all system is off and generation, when engine runs but all electricity is off, without this bulb you can burn your generator.
Okay. So that's a really important bulb. Got it.
Make sure that this surface, this contact,
Okay, that's clean too.
Yeah, it's clean now. But
So would you use a
this
brass butt?
this contact may to be
Can't use the flashlight.
this round surface must here.
Well, okay. So it just sits
This
in
is
there.
not correctly installed.
It's not? How is it supposed to be?
Here is clearance. Clearance.
So it should be snug in there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, I see.
It needs to be installed correctly.
That's better. Okay.
Without clearance.
Yay. Yeah. Yep, no more clearance now, guys. Yay.
So,
So
works.
turn it on again.